there. If you're here, then you are looking to level up your career. You are ready to become an exceptional Scrum Master and guide your team to success. Say goodbye to slow, boring, and error-prone techniques and say hello to the exciting world of Scrum. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to become a Certified Scrum Master, or CSM, and rock the Scrum framework like a pro. So who exactly is a Certified Scrum Master? Well, think of them as the superhero of Agile projects, leading the team to victory with their Scrum superpowers. Now, they are not your typical project leaders or managers. They are servant leaders, making sure that the team is set up for success with the Scrum framework. A Scrum Master doesn't wear a cape or tries to look cool. Being a Scrum Master is about taking on pivotal roles and responsibilities. Scrum Masters are the team's facilitators and servant leaders, helping the team to self-organize and achieve great results using Agile methodology. They remove obstacles like a pro. They also keep the team focused and protect them from distractions, both internal and external. Plus, they are the ultimate matchmakers, ensuring a great relationship between the product owner and the team and the other stakeholders. But that's not all. Scrum Masters also create the perfect environment for the team to thrive. You'll be the master of ceremonies when it comes to managing the Scrum process, coordinating with the team like a boss. Oh, and let's not forget about the epic retrospective meetings where you will lead the charge in improving performance. Becoming a Scrum Master is like unlocking a whole new level of awesomeness in Agile project management. So, are you ready to level up? Then let's go ahead and dive in and talk about how you can become a Certified Scrum Master. It is going to be one wild and exciting ride. So, who can become a CSM? Well, the eligibility requirements to attend the Scrum Master certification training are very inclusive. The training is for you if you are a fresh graduate or a seasoned professional who is looking to boost your project management skills or just deepen your Scrum understanding. In fact, a wide range of professionals have benefited from the CSM program. This includes software engineers, product managers, project managers, team leaders, business analysts, development team members, testers, basically anyone who aspires to become a Scrum Master. So, what do you think is the most challenging responsibility of a Scrum Master? Let's hear from you in the comments below. The CSM certification comes with a whole lot of perks. You'll be part of an elite group recognized by Scrum Alliance as Scrum Specialists, leading project teams to success. And then there's the dough. Based on recent salary surveys, certified Scrum Masters are earning an average annual salary of $140,197 in the United States, 12,95,560 rupees in India, 11,53,221 rand in South Africa, 66,679 pounds in the UK, $64,790 in Singapore, and 88,210 dirhams in Dubai. With a CSM certification, you can unlock exciting job opportunities in top companies like IBM, Tata Consulting Services, Capgemini, Honeywell, Bosch, Accenture, Deloitte, and more. Your career will skyrocket. But wait, you might be thinking that becoming a Scrum Master is a daunting task. Well, guess what? It is not. It is not challenging at all. While there are no specific prerequisites to enroll for the CSM certification, you do need to complete a training program of at least 2 days or 14 to 16 hours taught by a certified Scrum trainer. Easy peasy. This is just the beginning. The CSM certification offered by Scrum Alliance is an entry-level credential. It equips you with the knowledge of Scrum methodology and values, team performance, accountability, and iterative development. It is perfect for anyone involved in product delivery or responsible for optimizing Scrum. This includes Scrum Masters and their teams. Not only will you learn Agile and Lean methodologies, but you will also have tangible proof of your proficiency with this highly sought after certification. Given the perks, you might be thinking that becoming a CSM is a tough task. Well, guess what? It is much easier than you think. While there are no specific prerequisites in order to enroll for the CSM certification, you do need to complete a training program of at least 2 days or 14 to 16 hours taught by a certified Scrum trainer. The process includes just 4 steps. Step number 1, take the CSM training, preferably from a Scrum Alliance registered education ally such as KnowledgeHut Upgrad. This will provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills to understand the Scrum framework and their values. Step number 2, after completion, Scrum Alliance will send you a link to create login credentials. Now, these credentials will be required to access the online CSM test. Step number 3, take the online CSM test. It consists of 50 multiple choice questions and there is no time limit. You need to answer at least 37 questions correctly in order to pass the exam. Step number 4, once you pass, you will be requested to accept a license agreement. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the CSM certification. Once accepted, drumroll please, you get your Certified Scrum Master certificate from Scrum Alliance. This certificate is valid for 2 years and includes a 2-year membership with Scrum Alliance, which provides access to heaps of resources and community support. Now, the cost involved to become a CSM ranges from $500 to $2,000, depending on the factors such as the training's content, duration, trainer, and location. The cost typically includes both the CSM training and exam fees. To prepare for the CSM certification, you can refer to various resources such as books, videos, blogs, and online courses. All right, here are a few tips to consider for a smooth experience when getting your CSM certification. Choose your Scrum Master course wisely. For those of you watching this before you attend a class, do your research and choose the course provider that is right for you. Take the practice test that is aligned with the Certified Scrum Master course learning objectives. This will help you ace your CSM test. Now, only use one that was crafted by a certified Scrum trainer specifically for the Scrum Alliance CSM test. Remember, the test is open book. It is always recommended to refer to the online version of the Scrum Guide along with the notes that you might have taken during your class. Be mindful of specifics. Just like any test, make sure that you understand the context of the question correctly before answering. Consider the appropriate response before reading the selections. As you've just attended the classes, you likely already know the response. Consider your options before reading the choices. Read the question's last sentence first. Understanding the most crucial information first can help you to avoid any confusion, even if the terminology is complex. Consider all the possibilities before choosing an answer. Avoid selecting a nearly accurate answer by considering all the options. Read over each choice starting at the bottom. Your brain tends to choose the first logical response, so make sure to read each response to see if there is a better option. Do not spend too much time on a difficult question. If the question is challenging, mark it for review and move on. Now, you can always come back to it later. Following these steps can help you to prepare effectively and increase your chances of passing the CSM certification test. Good luck with your certification journey. Now, once you've completed the test and submitted your answers, your test results will immediately appear on your screen. Earning your CSM certification is a significant accomplishment, and we really hope that these tips have been helpful in boosting your chances of success on the exam. Once you've completed the test and received your results, it is time to celebrate your achievement. For a copy of your CSM certificate, simply log into your Scrum Alliance website account and click the download option in the dashboard. You can even personalize your first certificate with your name, but double check it as you cannot update it later. And if you need to make any changes, simply contact support@scrumalliance.org for assistance. Also, do not forget to renew your certifications after 2 years. Keeping your certification current demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Also, adding the CSM badge on your LinkedIn profile and resume makes a significant impact. You will have the HRs of potential employers or clients chasing after you. We really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your coworkers. Also, do not miss out on our upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe and press that bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and congratulations on your journey to becoming a certified Scrum Master.